nice. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get something that fell into your garbage disposal. Okay? You could always try to stick your hand in there, you know. If your hands are small enough, yeah, you might be able to get it. But if it's in the corner, good luck with that. Forget about it. Or you could try to, you know, go into the sink and take all that off of there, but who wants to do that? I know I don't. So real fast, guys, I'm gonna show you the fastest, easiest way to get something out of a garbage disposal. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take this penny, and I'm gonna show you right now. There's nothing in the sink. Bag of shrimp. Now I'm gonna take this penny and I'm gonna drop it in there. Here we go. All right. Now let's do it. You hear that, right? Now I'm gonna show you the fastest way to get that out. Ta-da! The vacuum cleaner. Yes. And if you got a shop vac, that's even better. But I'm not even gonna get my shop vac. I'm gonna use my regular old vacuum cleaner here. And I'm gonna make sure you got that on there. All right? Turn it on. Stick it in there. And there it is. I think I got it, guys. Let's see. There you go. All done. All right? You can thank me later. Hit me up with a super sticker. Hey, but if it helped you out, like this and share it. Have a good day. I'm Big Brian. Peace out. Hey, and the good thing is, if you want to, you can always go back in here and get your penny back out. All right, guys, have a great day. I'm Big Brian. Like and share. Have a good day. Peace.